How to convert your Roblox credit into Robux. Got Roblox gift card credit but want Robux instead? You can easily convert credit into Robux, and here's how you can do it. So, first and foremost, go ahead and open Roblox into your device, and then head over to roblox.com/redeem. So in here, you need to go ahead and enter your gift card code. Your balance will appear as Roblox credit. So go ahead and check your account balance, and you'll see options to either buy Robux directly or convert leftover credit. Click on the convert credit to Robux, confirm your choice, and the Robux will be added instantly to your account. So conversion works only on the Roblox website and not in the app or console. Even small leftover balances can be converted, but the limitations is credit must be redeemed in the same account and conversion rates are fixed. Converting Roblox credit into Robux is quick and easy. Redeem, convert, and enjoy more Robux for games, items, and experiences. And that is how to convert your Roblox credit into Robux.